Nestled in the heart of Lincoln, Nebraska at 925 Clark Avenue, this delightful 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home offers 1,640 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. This residence combines modern amenities with a prime location, making it an ideal choice for families and professionals alike. As you approach, the home's inviting exterior welcomes you into a space that balances comfort and style. Inside, the open floor plan seamlessly connects the living areas, creating an atmosphere perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. The well-appointed kitchen features modern appliances and ample counter space, catering to both everyday meals and special occasions. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area provides a cozy setting for family gatherings. The 3 spacious bedrooms offer generous closet space and abundant natural light, ensuring restful retreats for all family members. The 3 bathrooms are tastefully designed, providing convenience and privacy. One of the standout features of this property is its location. Situated in a vibrant neighborhood, residents enjoy easy access to local amenities, schools, parks, and shopping centers, enhancing the appeal of this charming home. With its combination of modern comforts, thoughtful design, and prime location, 925 Clark Avenue presents a unique opportunity in Lincoln's housing market. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to upgrade, this property offers a harmonious blend of convenience and charm.